should subscribe to Raze Chaos because he's a dope guy.
And welcome back, everybody. My name is Raze Chaos. You've made it back to my channel, and I am finally coming back to doing what I started doing in the first place, and that is unboxing mystery minis. I have missed doing this, and I think one of the last mystery mini things I did unbox was actually the Cryptozoic Lil Bombshells Series 2, but this is Series 3. Now, I made a mistake at one point when I was trying to get these, and I thought I was ordering it, but yeah, there was a deal. Like, I didn't see any cases for being sold at the time, but I did find a buy 3 get 1 free, or yeah, it was like kind of a deal. So I thought, let's see, buy 3, that's 4, and if I do that 3 times, I'll get a case. And then I went and I ordered other stuff from the thing, and somehow I got myself confused. So when I got the box, I only had 4 of them. So I found the case at a decent price, and then I figured, well, that just makes this little video a little bit longer because I've got 4 more to go. Looking back on this, it is a bit different from the other Cryptozoics that I've unboxed. As you know, with the Bombshells, they tend to be female, and this actually has the option of getting 3 different male characters. And of course, there's the 2 mysteries that don't know what. I didn't get one out of that last one, so I still don't have a clue as to what they are. So we're going to tear into these immediately because I almost enjoy these more than I do the Funko Mystery Minis. Don't tell them I said that. So, woo! And right out of the gate, wow. Who's that? Oh, get off of here. I've already seen the pop, or the figure, so I haven't. I'm definitely going to get doubles on this because, yeah, well, the extra thing. But yeah, the first one right out of the gate is, it looks like Stargirl. That is awesome. They've got a lot of plastic on these. Oh, yeah. And don't worry, I will give the close-ups at the end of the video like I always do. And, oh my goodness, she is adorable. With a little bow on the back. That is so extra. That's so perfect. The goggles down and everything. The biggest problem with these things is that there are little tin canisters afterwards. It's like, what do I do with all these little tin canisters? I mean, it's okay when I get a duplicate and I'm going to give it to somebody, because then it's like, it's a nice little carrying case. But well, I said I was going to get duplicates, and I've got another Stargirl. I'm going to actually keep this because I think keeping it in the plastic and everything makes it a good way of storing it and giving it if I'm going to give it away. So right out of the gate, we've already got 2 duplicates, but and that's kind of not a surprise considering the situation in which I got it, in which I've got these. So who's this? Ooh, oh my goodness! I don't think I've ever gotten this character before. Yeah, you know I'm kidding, right? Because there's always a Harley in every batch. So, this is awesome. Let me take a look at this one. And, oh yeah, I like this one. I got a Harley out of the last one, of course. This one actually comes with Bud and Lou, I'm going to guess. Her hyenas. And yeah, this is This is super cute. I really love the fact that they come on these little stands, and I don't know. It's just like the head is bigger, is exaggerated like all Funko and even their mystery minis are like that. But something about these, they just seem to work better. Yeah, I've started paying a little bit more attention to Cryptozoic since I got that last case, because I was really impressed with them. So, what are we going to get? I wonder if this is going to be... No, it's not. Oh, this is awesome. We've got... We managed to get the Superman. Decked out in the strongman outfit, holding the 1,000-pound weights, it looks like. That's pretty awesome. Yeah, this is really cool. The sash. I touched the sash and it bent, and I thought, oh my god, I thought I broke it there for a second. Wouldn't be the first time. So now we're going to dig into the actual case. We're going to get a lot more duplicates, I can already tell. More duplicates. Let's see what I got. Yep, we've got another Stargirl. I don't mind getting duplicates, but if I got duplicates of duplicates is where I kind of start drawing the line. So that will get me annoyed fast. I don't mind having two of a character, because like I said, I can give it as a gift. But Stargirl really isn't a character that's... Ooh! Yes. Yes. Everybody knows that being a Nightwing fan pretty much automatically makes me a Teen Titans fan. And we've got Starfire in her little police brigade outfit. That is awesome. This would be a gem even without like the rest of them. I love their hair is like fire, and that's just gorgeous. I'd like to put these in different sections, but I really wouldn't even know how to do so right now. But we're gonna keep on keeping on. We're gonna take a look at these things. These are great. Yeah, ooh. Oh! I think I got a special one here. Okay, so yeah, so yeah, this isn't marked as if it's gonna be anything terribly spectacular, but this Joker is completely silver and sparkly, so this is definitely oh wow, yeah. He's singular colored, he's in the silver paint job. So yeah, I think this is one of the chase figures. Oh god, this is really cool. Honestly, I would be fine. I didn't even realize there was a sparkly version of him. I would be fine with the regular one, but I'm not going to complain on that one. That's really kind of cool. I'm still looking at it over there. And another Harley Quinn, because we knew we were going to get a duplicate of Harley Quinn. Naturally. What's to do with Harley Quinn? That does kind of keep him. Oh, I was looking forward to this one too. Yeah, we've got the Bombshells Batman. They are really breaking out these. Oh my goodness, yeah. This little hat. I've got the Funko Pop of this guy, and yeah, this guy looks even better than this thing looks better than the Funko Pop. Yeah, I like the design of the bottom of his coat. Yeah, we'll put him over with the rest of the Batman stuff. Yeah, I have gotten 3 duplicates so far. But yeah, that would be just like the 4 extras that I got being duplicates. That would have been fine. And there's the extra Superman, so that's 4. That's officially, if I get no more duplicates, that means I got a full case of unique characters. Not counting the 4 extras that I got. There are the 4 down there. So let's see who else we get. Oh, new character. Yes. It is Ravager, and oh my, she has got this whole pirate thing going on right there. Oh, I like that design. He's got the Buccaneer style look. Deathstroke's daughter. She goes over here next to Starfire. And let's see who else we can get. Let's see, 1, 2, 3. There's a couple other characters that I wouldn't mind having. I wonder if I'll get a regular Joker, considering I got that sparkly one. I'll have to look that up, because I'm not even sure how that works. Just right as I said it, I get the regular Joker. Okay, yeah. You can really see the difference too. Like, it's impressive how the colors pop a little bit more and make some of his features pop out compared to the other one. Yeah, I love this design. I love everything. I'll just stop saying that I love these things, because you get the point. I'm obviously really enjoying this stuff. They're minis. You know I enjoy the minis. And this appears to be, yep, it's another Superman. So we're now getting to the point of, yeah, I really would rather not have any more duplicates at this point. And, ooh, yes. This is one of my favorite characters all around anyway. And that is Power Girl. And yes, she kind of looks along the same lines as the Wonder Woman with the We Can Do It look, but I believe she's supposed to go with the Superman as far as just being the strongman theme. So yeah, we got all 3 of the guys and one, because the Joker's all sparkly. Oh, cool. Okay, this is I didn't recognize who this was supposed to be at first, but this is Big Barda. Open. Is this a police outfit, or I'm not really sure. Is this a police outfit, or I'm not sure. I don't know what her whole thing was in the Bombshells. But that is, she could be a conductor or a police officer. Either way, still awesome. Awesome. It's another good character. And we're on to the last one. And who is it? please don't let the last one be a duplicate. That's all I ask. Don't let the last one be a duplicate. And oh, last and definitely not least. Oh, yes. It's Raven. Oh, that looks so cool. Oh, she's got that demonic look to her. And oh, yes. This is great. Yes, I am definitely not sorry I got this. Even with the duplicates, that's still like, this is an amazing little set. And I did mention in a previous video that I was going to do a side-by-side with the Lil Bombshells and the Mystery Mini characters and show you the difference between the two. I haven't done that yet, but part of the reason I didn't do that was because I knew I was getting this, and I knew we were going to have other characters that crossed over. So that video is still coming, including these other ones. So we're gonna get a look at both the DC Funko Mystery Minis, Bombshells, and then these both sets. Obviously, there are no males in the Funko Mystery Minis, so that'll be the only place to see those. But like, I'll show off what I have and let you and just kind of give you an idea as to which you prefer, or maybe you want both. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and give you close-ups on this. Let me know which one is your favorite, and let me know if this is something that you'd be interested in checking out, because they just look great. I really wish I had gotten an extra Batman instead of 2 extra Supermen, but that's kind of how it goes. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Show this video to somebody else who loves to collect minis. I do adore these things so much. Something about having these little tiny characters just makes me happier than it probably should. I look forward to having you back, and look forward to seeing you next time.